Kamen Rider Super-1. He came from blue cosmos with mighty force to save this green forest, our mother earth. His red blood is boiling, heated, it's just his heart. His silver arms defeat horrible enemies. He has a pure heart, it's shining gold. His aura changes into fighting energy. Save the sea and mountain for her native land. He will get it down with his great 5 hands. Those hands are full of love, his lenient heart. The rider, we call him the